Let us continue with our lesson. And if you see the update tags, so whenever we want to update the tags, what we have to pass is we have to pass the ID that you want to update. This is the tags ID, user ID, title, body, and the status. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 field that we have to pass. So we have to set a request, and when you send, let's say we want to update it, we using a let's say as a start started. Sorry, this should be start started, and let's send this one, and we should get a response back. So this is the response, and this is the request that we have to send. So let's create a request and response. And what I will do is I will just copy this one, and we need the ID, user ID, title, body, and the status for the request. So just copy this one, and let's go back to our project over here, and I will go to the request over here and go to the to do, and I will add a new Kotlin data class file from JSON and paste this one, and we will remove this two because we don't need that one, and also that one. So we need the ID, user ID, title, body, and status, and that should be our edit tags, request. So edit tags request generate, and that should generate the edit tags request for us, which is of ID, user IDs, and title, body, and status, and that should be fine. And we also need to create another file for a response, so that should be over here. And let's go and copy all of this again, and let's go back to the project over here, and in the response let me add a new Kotlin data class from JSON, and we will need all of this. And I will create a new, say as a edit tags edit tags response. Okay, so that should generate a new tags response for us. Okay, edit tags response. Okay, so we have these two classes created. One is of a edit tags request and the edit tags response. And the next step would be to add an endpoint as well as to create our service to edit the data. So let's do it in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.